So if I take away the vehicle, alarm comes on. Okay, and this also has an intruder buzzer on the door. Okay, so this house has got two security systems. Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is we will add an external security to this house. What we mean by external security, for instance, you have a vehicle which you want to park and you don't have a compound wall or you don't have a strong gate, for instance, and it's an open parking. Then, for example, you have an auto rickshaw. This is a toy auto rickshaw which you can get it from any shop. You want to park it. And if somebody takes away the vehicle, you want an alarm to sound. Okay, so for this we will use the infrared based alarm detection, and normally it needs some electronic circuit and assembly and maybe soldering. So what we will use today is we will use Schogini Toys infrared based intruder alarm. So this is the alarm. It comes in a box and it has a manual with many experiments that you can do. Okay, and one of the experiment will be what we are going to use today. This is how the modules look. It has got one infrared module which we have used earlier for our house project. So it has got one infrared emitting sensor. This LED will be giving out infrared signal. Then here we have a receiver, infrared receiver. So some object comes in front, the light will reflect that object, infrared light will reflect that object and fall into this receiver which will detect. And this blue LED will indicate the presence of an object. So we will see how it works. So I will switch it on. So see now, this blue LED will indicate that there is no reception of infrared. Now if I bring my hand in front, see, if I bring my hand in front of the sensor, infrared will come from here and fall into the receiver and the blue LED goes off. So what we will do is we will park the vehicle like this in front of this sensor. Okay, and if the vehicle moves away, the blue LED comes on and alarm should trigger. Okay, so for this what we will do is we will use the alarm module. So this is the alarm module which has got alarm push buttons. Input for this module, we will connect it to our infrared sensor like this. Okay, so I keep my hand in front and reset the alarm, and if my hand moves away, alarm comes. So let me show that with the vehicle. I'm resetting the alarm. Okay, so now if I move away the light, alarm comes on. Okay, so that is the idea. So what we will do is we will place, I have already made a hole here. So what we will do is, this is the house project that we did, which has got one LED here. It has got one buzzer and another LED here. So in this house, we will place this alarm infrared sensor assembly. Okay, so we'll place it in such a way that sensor is able to detect objects through the cutting that we have provided. Okay. Okay, so if I push the vehicle away, see, alarm comes on. See, so that is this project. So very simple to do, but very nice to present for your school project. But for this, you will need the intruder alarm kit. This is available in Amazon. Okay, otherwise you can do the house project with just the LED and also a buzzer for the door security. That we have already done. Let's so this is the house that we have created earlier, which has got the door security. Okay, so this is now the house with the LED on and the infrared sensor to detect the vehicle security on as well. So if I take away the vehicle, alarm comes on. Okay, and this also has an intruder buzzer on the door. Okay, so this house has got two security systems. One is for the door open security and another one for the vehicle detection, vehicle theft security. Perfect, that is it. So this is a nice and interesting project which you can easily make at home on your own. You can easily use this as a school science project or as an exhibit for school science exhibitions. And remember, all the items that I have used for this project are listed in the description. At Schogini Toys, we also make such ready-to-build DIY kits with all the parts required. They're available in Amazon and the link is there in the description. And please do share, comment and like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Schogini Toys, for more similar fun and interesting videos for your school science projects like this. See you soon with more videos like this which all of us can do. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.